a birthday.
What are you doing, lady?
Brenna, can you say happy birthday?
No.
Can you say hi, Aunt Lori?
No.
Can you say no?
Hi, Aunt Lori. I wish I can be at your house, but unfortunately I can't. And have a great birthday.
Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. You're